कुछ भी औरतों के लिए कुछ भी that is something women of substance is the tagline today.
Mrs. and Miss International season 8. I'm so blessed and glad to be part of it.
Those beautiful designs by All Strengths Sporting Trading by Sancho Higurani and Swilpa Higurani. Now may I please welcome Mr. Sancho Higurani on the stage.
इवेंट के बारे में क्या कहना चाहती हैं आप? यहाँ पर आना सिर्फ दुबई आना कैसा लगा?
दुबई आना तो हमेशा अच्छा ही लगता है। हम जब भी आते हैं एक नए लाइक उत्साह लेके आते हैं। यहाँ का एटमॉस्फेयर एंड दीज टू लेडीज हैज पुट दिस ब्यूटीफुल कॉन्ट्रास्ट टुगेदर। इट्स ऑल फॉर women आई कैन सी एंड कुछ भी औरतों के लिए कुछ भी that is something women of substance is the tagline today. So we all are women of substance in our own ways. We have our own identities. So I'm really happy to be part of this event. And yeah, so all the best to Madhu and Anshu for
you so
putting
much.
this together.
Thank
It's
you.
very beautifully done.
थैंक यू। बीइंग अ फीमेल, बीइंग अ वुमन ऑफ सब्सटेंस, आप बाकी लोगों के लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
That's what जैसे मैंने कहा, I myself feel like a huge women of substance. हर एक का substance अलग होता है, हर एक की शक्ति अलग होती है। अभी नवरात्र भी आ रहा है तो everybody will have हमारे अंदर 9 देवियां बैठी हुई है तो सबके अंदर हमारे अंदर की सरस्वती और लक्ष्मी ही दिखे लोगों को। दुर्गा और काली को हम जगाओ मत। But yes, we all have that. तो वही कहना चाहूंगी एंड एवरी वुमन इज अ आर्ट फॉर्म, इट्स अ रेप्लिकेशन ऑफ सम डिवाइन, सम देवी का एक रूप होता है। तो everybody should respect them, their mothers, their sisters, their wives, and I think this is what we all come together and say and do it. So that's what the whole essence is here.
मैं सबसे पहले तो मैं मुक्ता जी की खूबसूरती की तारीफ करना चाहूंगी। मैं मेस्मराइज्ड हूँ इतना ब्यूटीफुल फेस और इतना ब्यूटीफुल फिगर देख के। एंड शी सो हम्बल, शी सो नाइस। और हमारे शो की शोभा बढ़ गई उनके आने से।
मैं तो हमेशा से ही बहुत फैन हूँ उनकी और पिछले 3-4 साल से मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रही थी। एक बार और हमने मैम का पोस्टर डाल दिया था लेकिन मैम को कहीं जाना पड़ा था, तो मैं तो बहुत टाइम से उनकी फैन हूँ, बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ। एंड आई वाज सो हैप्पी, सो हैप्पी।
दुबई में हमारा मौका मिल गया।
एक तो
Oh, hi. Lovely outfit. This waving
बहुत
is
तारीफ
so,
कर रही थी।
is suiting me so well. The color and the fitting and
नहीं थैंक यू सो मच। मैं यही कहना चाहूंगा, जब मैंने 2008 में यू वर इन फैशन मूवी, देन मैं उसी टाइम पे आई वाज डूइंग माय डिजाइनिंग कोर्सेज, आई वॉच्ड हर और एंड आई एम सो लकी दैट शी इज वेयरिंग माय सूट। सो यू नो ये एक टाइम का फ्रेज है, ऊपर वाला जब आप कुछ चाहो तो एक अच्छी चीज आपके सामने गिफ्ट हो जाती है। एंड शी इज वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ, शी इज वेरी डाउन टू अर्थ।
और तब संजू वाज मैरिड आल्सो, यंग आल्सो, तो ही वाज अ ग्रेट फैन।
it's my privilege to wear your outfit क्योंकि हमने सुबह ही बात हो रही थी breakfast पे and then I said something interesting, I should wear some Dubai designer and then these two told you and
संजू
you
ही गोरानी।
and then yeah Sanju and Sanju I think you sent me the perfect outfit. without fitting. This is just
Yes.
looking forward for you और आगे आपके लिए और अच्छी चीजें बताते रहे.
Thank you.
मुंबई में भी मिलना अभी.
Sure. I will.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, Tyra here from Hashtag Media Point. Next to me, really a woman of substance over there who struggle a lot. और इनसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं इनकी जर्नी के बारे में. Stay with us.
I'm here at Mrs. and Miss International today, and I'm very fortunate to be a foot partner here. So the journey has not been easy. It takes a lot of hard work. It takes focus on your goal to reach here. So I would say to all the ladies out there that don't quit, keep going. Even if you're tired, take a break, rest, then again start going and catch your goal. जिंदगी में मुश्किल टाइम जब लगा, जब काम नहीं था यहाँ पे और कोविड का टाइम हो गया था, तो सोच रहे थे कि करना क्या है. तो फिर अपने हुनर को जो है इस्तेमाल करके आई ओपन अ रेस्टोरेंट एंड आई कुक्ड, आई वर्कड, आई डिलीवर्ड on the doorsteps of people at the COVID time. And from 5 years, Alhamdulillah, I'm here now. So it's a success.
Hi, this is Dr. Kartika Singh. I'm very glad to come here, and it's an honor to getting award, and it's a very good award. So getting coming here, it's very honorable, and I'm a guest of honor also. So I'm very happy to getting this award and this achievement. Thank you.
My name is Amjad Khan, former boxer India. और यहाँ आया हूँ आज फैशन शो में और बहुत अच्छा लगा. और सबसे बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि हम हमेशा देखते हैं हर इवेंट्स में बोलता हुआ इंडिया. आज बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे और टुडे आई एम हैप्पी एंड आई जस्ट वॉच द फैशन शो. जी, हमेशा ऐसे जारी होनी चाहिए. इससे हौसला बनता रहेगा लोगों का, चीजें चलता रहेगा. यही मेरा blessing है.
माय नेम इज राजेंद्र उपाध्याय, डॉक्टर राजेंद्र उपाध्याय. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे इस इवेंट को देख के और मुझे भी उसमें इवेंट का एक परफेक्ट करने का मौका मिला. बहुत अच्छा लगा. अमेजिंग. थैंक यू.
It was a wonderful experience, and I have carried a lot of good memories. I was super duper excited. All tiredness, everything is gone after this event, the successful event. So I'm very much happy. Thank you to Madhu ma'am and Anshu ma'am for giving us this opportunity.
Hi, I'm Gunjan Chugh. I was the project coordinator in the event, Mrs. and Miss International Season 8. I'm so blessed and glad to be part of it. Last year, I was a contestant and I was awarded Beauty Inside Out. This year, I was working as a team. It was a wonderful experience. And also, I am a professional makeup artist, model and actor. Recently, I have launched my album. The name is Rab Varga. I worked as an actor and the producer in that song. And now I'm taking a short break from my career. But I'll be back soon with the very exciting movies.
Hello everyone, I'm Isha Tiwari, first runner-up in gold category of Miss and Mrs. International 2025 Season 8. And I'm really very happy because I got such a wonderful opportunity to win this title. I would like to thank Anshu ma'am and Madhu ma'am because she's providing really great opportunities for all the women around here. So thank you so much for this platform.
Hi, I'm Sheetal Sehgal. So I was in the gold category. I just won. I'm so excited. It's been an incredible journey. I've learned so much in these matter of 3-4 months. Everybody, Miss Anshul, this is Madhur. They've been an excellent mentor. Swati Raka. I've never walked before that on the stage, and the entire confidence build-up which has happened. And I was here to just grow and inspire and be inspired also, and to prove to the world that there is no age. Age is just a number. And at any stage, you can you can live your passion, you can live your dreams and follow your dreams. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Amrita Vijay from India, winner of Mrs. India 2025. I'm really honored to be a jury for Miss and Mrs. International. Thanks to Anshu Muddal and Madhu Sharma for having me here. I'm really happy for the winners and I'm very happy for all the contestants. They've done it really very well. All the best. Thank you.
It was a wonderful experience staring stage here.
looking forward to many more like this events like this. Thank you.
So finally, after so many months of practices and sessions and all, it's great to be the winner in the platinum category. Pretty much very happy, very excited about the whole thing. All our hard work has paid off, and I thank Mrs. International, a woman of substance, to give us this platform to actually fulfill all my dreams. And it's a dream come true for me, finally winning this pageant. Thank you.
Hi, I am the new Miss International Woman of Substance Season 8 2025. My name is Dina Haji. I'm so overwhelmed to be the winner of the Miss category. It's so exciting. The entire journey has been full of growth and learning from start all the way till now. I can't extend enough gratitude to Miss Madhur ma'am, Miss Anshu ma'am, Miss Swati ma'am, Raka, Gunjan, Sakshi, all of the mentors, Arushi, that have helped me and all the other contestants on this journey. I feel really blessed tonight, and I'm just enjoying that everybody is here and they're so supportive. Yeah.
Hello, I'm Ishuka Jarpla. I'm the first runner-up in the Miss category. I'm feeling very excited. The hard work which I put with these days, 4 days, I've received what I deserve. So I'm very happy. Thank you so much. Hi, this is Shiti Subaya Bashamada here from Kodagu, Karnataka, India. Hey, this is one of a very amazing moment for me because this is the first time where I have done a ramp walk and I am a runner-up here again. I'm very, very happy, and yes, this is a very proud moment for me and proud for me too. Being a very sportive person and a sports person, today this is something which was very new for me, and yes, I nailed it, is what I can say. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hello there, this is Tasfar Aisa Raka. I was the Director of Choreography and Image Building Specialist of Miss and Mrs. International Woman of Substance Dubai 2025 Season 8. I'm very glad to be here, and actually there was a 40 contestants and they all are amazing. They support me a lot. So I also in this platform from last couple of years, and I was also Miss and Mrs. International Woman of Substance Dubai 2023. So yeah, till now I'm in this platform. So this sets you can see that it was really very amazing event, and congratulations to all the winners. Best of luck, keep it up, and keep me in your prayer as well. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Shavina Rahman, and I'm being awarded as the special supporter to this event and this Miss and Mrs. International Women of Substance. It's a great platform for all the women who are looking forward to look for doing something after their marriage, after the responsibility they've been doing. And I feel this is the best platform for the women out there, for the young women and the women who are looking for doing something new. And yes, thanks to Anshu for bringing this here to Dubai, and looking forward for this next year as well. And we wish good luck to Anshu, the organizer of this Miss and Mrs. International 2025, for bringing this here to Dubai. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Swati Shamil. I was a pageant coach and general director for Miss Mrs. International Season 8 2025. We just kicked off today and we have just wrapped up the session today. It went amazing. We had lovely contestants from all over the world, and they performed really well. We had 4 categories: Miss, Mrs. Silver, Mrs. Gold, and Platinum. We had 4 winners in each categories. The winners are looking really beautiful and dazzling with their crown. And it was a lovely experience training, coaching them. And yes, the best person won. And we are just wrapping up. Basically, I'm an actor, I'm a model, pageant coach, and an influencer. I have some of few short movies lined up, which will be coming up in Hindi and Malayalam. And I'm doing some brand promotions for big brands, which will be coming up. And planning for some more events in the pipeline. So this is my full-time work, and looking forward for more events. You will see something really exciting very soon.
Hello, I'm Dr. Mani. I'm third runner-up from the Mrs. Silver category. And I'm really glad and grateful for this platform and opportunity given by Mrs. International Dubai 2025. I wish everyone all the best wishes. Thank you.